Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Zandile from South Africa. So guys, today I'm going to show you some places. A place called Sodwala Caves, where there are caves. So guys, just stay with me. This place is located in Nailspruit, so we are going to meet up. Let's go to see the place. And guys, the weather today is so the weather today, guys, is so something. So let's go and meet up the place. So I want to see something here, then I will be taking you that side also. So let's go and have a look. I'm taking you to this beautiful market. I think I have to go that side. I have to go a bit forward to get a space. They are long distance drivers and they are coming here, like for them it's becoming easy to get food here. So let's go and see what is what. We are. Hey. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. So guys, we are here with my friend here. Yes, we are here. She's the one who's selling the pap. So let's see what she's having, and maybe I will have a try. I will have a plate. Yeah. It's a very good food. Yeah, it's a very good food. What are you cooking like? Yeah, what is the menu? In the big pots. Oh, there is pap. There is pap, guys. In South Africa, we are calling this pap. This is our everyday food. This is pap. Then the next thing is. Can we see? Oh, yeah, it's chicken. Oh, wow. Yeah, oh, mashallah. Mashallah. And then we have our coco, but now it's beef, ne? Beef. Yes. Coco. Beef. Then we have mkhodu. Mkhodu. Yes, mkhodu. And you don't have any salad. Yesterday I had this is water. This water is for washing hands. And washing hands. You can even sell tea. Yeah. Okay. Sell tea. But we normally use for washing hands. Washing the dishes. Okay. So you don't have some salad? I do have, but today I was busy. I didn't. Yeah. It's just for truck drivers. They can eat and go. but yesterday I had cabbage. I had beans. I also prepare beans. Oh, beans. Yeah. Just today
time because I went somewhere, then I came back to the kitchen.
So too late.
So I was late.
Okay.
Yeah.
I used to pass by this place and I was like, wow, these ladies are so clever to just take this place and have a business here. And today I was like, let me go to that place.
Girl.
The starting of it.
Bushes, like
you have to
now ungena phakathi angeke ubone
na cleaner.
Sa cleaner.
Anzange nacela boma bathi yini lokwema TLB.
No,
you just
usisebenzisa brush cut. And our hands
to clean the place.
To clean the place.
But how did it started for you to just realize, no, I can go to that corner and have a business? How did it started?
Indlala makes you think hard.
So you just think of this corner.
Yeah.
I can make a business.
Yeah,
in this
because
corner.
my ladies and some avocado and everything. So
yes,
I
like
thought
that side. And that side they were not too much. Now they are too much.
They are too much because they were here.
Yes.
No, they are up.
They are even up
There
there.
were only 3 or 4. There were not many here.
Now there is a competition.
Now it's a competition. So now let me do something different.
Yes.
Because here the avocados.
Yes.
What about food?
Let me cook.
But what?
You were the first person to
No,
cook.
I was not the first person.
Maybe the second or fourth.
I'm the third one. That's the first one, the second
okay.
one. I'm the third one. But I didn't know what type of food they were cooking.
Yes,
I just didn't know. I didn't consult them. I just Indlala,
my friend. Call it in your language.
Okay, that's okay. Maybe let's eating maybe traditional food. But at first I was not preparing traditional food.
Okay.
At first I was doing dry meat, grilled meat.
Yes. I know what's there.
Bengos,
My chicken dust.
Yes. But now we see bengisaqala ngoba slow ngabona ngathi slow kanti akukho slow because usafika.
It's like what I'm doing.
Then ngase hayi ngacheck ngabuka ngobantu bayangibuza mathumba khona.
Yeah, and then we are listed. Yes.
Ngathi okay sengipheke inhloko. Sengipheke mathumba. Uyibona nje leto dinto leto ngathi oh laba bacheck ikore do you have kore chicken? I say oh no I don't have. Bye bye. I'm losing customer.
Kwere chicken, guys, is this one.
It's this one.
If you don't know, this is kwere, like a home chicken.
Yeah,
it's not bred by anything. It's just it's like a home chicken, which one we used to have at home. So they call it kwere in South Africa. It's a hard body. The meat is so hard. So this is
you just boil it, put your salt
and done.
You
don't put onion, what you can even put.
Sometimes, but
they like it.
They like it like this.
Yeah.
They like it the traditional way, just water and salt only.
And then
then my story. But it's not long. Then I change again email.
Yes.
That's when I changed my
added
name.
this.
Then I didn't know how to cook this thing, truly speaking. I didn't know. I think it's the help of God because I had no idea how to cook this. But when I started, people baba nokuthi kudla kwakho kumnandi okay.
Yeah,
something good.
Yeah.
Because like ngabuyela ekhaya nje ukuthi okay ekhaya bengibabona nabapheka into
yeah bapheka so
bangafaki into bavele okay nama sengipheka bangafaki nako ke bantu ba-enjoy ukudla kwami kumnandi kakhulu akusikudala ngila but business iyakhula. I don't want to lie.
So guys, let's come and support them. Whenever you're coming from Joburg, guys, don't go to those expensive restaurants because you'll be paying much for less. So here you'll be paying
50
enough,
rand per plate.
50 rand per plate. And then you can choose whatever you want to eat. So my bad luck is this: I'm a Muslim. I don't just eat. If it was pap and
beans,
yeah,
like yesterday
pap
I
and
had
salad.
Yes, or cabbage.
Yes, yes. So I can't support my friend today, but I think I will support her tomorrow. If she has something different, that will be my problem today. So guys, the trucks are passing every day, and most of your customers are truck drivers.
Yes, most. But now, as you see, there are small cars.
Yes.
I do have even local customers. I do have.
From the town, because town is not far.
From Riverside, from even inside CBD.
Yes.
Yeah, I do have customers there. The only secret here, cook nice food.
And how to communicate.
That's all. That's the secret. You just cook nice food.
Yes.
And then
you get customers. Yes, and it depends on how. Because guys, we are to the next kitchen. I think they are having the same menu. Muhodu. Then the one in. I think there's the same. Mashallah. Baizan marami dayangashi inana neri. Yes, their food is not halal. That is why, guys, I just feel it, but I can't have the taste of it because it's not halal. So selezwini kambi beef aneri inhloko.
Yeah.
Asinhloka ina marambo.
Like
Oh, this is the shilungu. This is the cow head. Yeah, they say.
Yeah,
So let's win. My bunches. And pap, guys, so we shall enjoy. Guys, they say this pap it can be finished, like they can even cook another pot a day. Just imagine how they work hard. So how are you, Boscon? Me right? No, you fine. Now they are about to dish up for some customers. Let's see how they do dish up the plate for them at the price of 50 rand. So let's wait and see how they will put the food. So we are waiting. First thing first, pap. And it's too hot, guys, and the weather is cold. And yeah. So guys, okay, moon look alaba wusha na nhloko I 50 rand, look alaba wusha na inani 50 rand. Yes, this is how they do, guys. A plate of pap, you can decide what type of curry you want. So now they are putting food in rice. Okay, so let me show you the tables. This is how they are sitting. This is where they sit. Hello. Hey, this is where they sit when they have food. Let's look at the price of 50 rand, so affordable. Just come and support the crew. Come and support the crew. And as you can see, guys, there are many cars, like many cars waiting. And I think mostly when it's lunchtime, it can be more and more people. So let's jump over and see that other side what they are selling beside pub. I think the pub side is only 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 places or 4 places where they are cooking pub. So let's jump and see. As you can see, guys, from far end, I think it's too far. I can't walk to that side. They are selling this kind of thing. So let's go and see what they are selling. This is South Africa. Come and have your own. This is South Africa. As you can see, it's busy. Okay. So guys, they are selling avocado. Makona ya kuphi? Mako. So guys, they are selling raw avocados. You can buy it and keep it at home, then it will be ready for you at the price of 50 rand. Let's see how it is. This is avocado at the price of 50 rand. And then the peanuts, the manga, 40 rand. 50 rand, guys. Then, oh, the wash wheel. Wow. These are already roasted and having also salt. So at the price of 40 rand. So guys, come and support them. At the price of 40 rand also this one. So guys, you can see how busy it is. How busy this place is. Like a small complex. Everyone is coming from Joburg. That one is Joburg and going Nailspruit. So when they come from there, they usually stop on the other side and support. Mostly that side there are pap and this side there are avocados. So this place is like that. This place is like that. Yeah, bro. This place is like that. We are busy. So it's just on the other side is a forest. Then on the other side is just the way to approach Nailspruit. So guys, the video is so dark. I don't know because of the weather. Hello guys, you can't believe, and I can't tell you what happened after that pub and stories. I can't tell you what happened. This is what happened. That is why I'm here. I didn't even say goodbye to those people, but I think we have to cut it short. The tour of what. Let's cross and see what they have on the other side. Let's cross and see. I did see something that side, but let's go and check it out. What is there? Let's check it out. I saw something on the window when passing by, so let's go and check it in person. What is it? So, it's raining, guys. It's raining and we are approaching the four ways of Nailspruit. So it's nearly to be a rush hour, but it's not yet rush hour. But wow, the traffic is too much. They are about to knock off. Everyone, they are about to knock off, and then the traffic is getting too much. but this is what it is. So it's raining, guys. The weather is good. The weather is really good. So the weather is really nice. Raining, not that much, just that sleeping mode of rain. So in Nailspruit today. So let's get going, guys. This is four-way, the busiest four-way in Nailspruit. This is it. So there is electricity. See, here we go, KFC. So let's go and make some orders and see what to eat, guys. So I did order my streetwise too with the crush. But you need crush what? Oh, yeah, a crush. Yes, that one. Flavor, yellow and then citrus. The flavor is only citrus. No, you're right, the citrus. Let me try this one. So guys, stay tuned. But it's not to take away. Okay. So guys, all in all it will be how much? 70 rand. Yeah, is that the price of 70 rand? So guys, that's it. This is my order. This is what I ordered and what I got. The citrus is so nice, it's so tasty. This is my order. Just ordered 2-piece with chips. So this is what I have. This is my day food. So I don't like chips, guys, but the way today's weather it is, I'll be eating chips. That is why I decided to take the 2-piece and chips one. There is 2-piece and pap, so I decided to take 2-piece and chips. So this is what I'm having. The pack of chips are too much. Oh wait. Because to those markets, guys, I can't eat their food. It's not halal. So I decided to come to pass by and have this for myself. Let's get going. This is my leftovers, so let's go home. Done. I'm going home now.